In this video, we're going to cover off the tasks section of your client portal. This really is the area that you'll spend the majority of your time in, as it is the area that we will assign your next to-do for the project. This can include at the early stage, such as approving a wireframe, uploading project assets, your logo, any imagery that you like to use, your brand guidelines, etc. As we progress through the project, it will include updating content, approving page level layouts, things of that nature. So it really is important that you do keep a close eye on the tasks and follow through to make sure that you are progressing them from start to finish. The tasks area also includes a request section, and this is where you're going to add tasks for us, such as, can you do this? Can you move that? Things of that nature. So we just sort of want to cover off how all of that comes together here and go from there. Starting out, we'll take a look at the information attached to a task. So the first task here in task list 1 is show how to use a task. So if this was assigned to you, you'd click on it. You could see the notes. In here you can add comments. So if we assign you a task and you have thoughts, as in, what do you mean by that? You can always enter a comment here. It gets attached to the task so that there's a history of it, and we get notified that that comment's been added, so we're able to provide more clarity around it. Say, for example, you've now completed the task of show how to use tasks. What you'll do is you'll click on the status next to the drop down next to the status of not started, and you will then change it accordingly. So for this one, it would be completed. As you go through the various stages in each of these tasks, you will update them. So if you've started them and it's in progress, you'll mark it as such. This allows both sides and all the members of both teams to understand where you're at in the project. Above and beyond that, say you want to assign a task to us. To assign a task to us is really quite straightforward. You click in here to add a task. You'll type in what you're looking for us to do. So in this case, it'll just be example task. You'll hit enter, and then we'll be notified that that task is created. As we go through it, what we'll do is we will update the status. So it'll either be in progress, it'll be waiting, it'll be deferred, or it'll be left as not started. As we again progress through these, we will update them and let you know. At the same time, we will also comment on them if we have follow-up questions to get a better understanding of what you mean with regards to that task. That really does conclude the run through of tasks. The last thing I wanted to draw your attention to is this toggle up here for show completed. If you do want to see all tasks that have been completed as well as ones that are outstanding, you'll just toggle this on, and then you'll see that that completed task comes back. As always, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out, and we will be happy to help.